So now, Dr. Fauci, I'm asking you, if you were to donate one item to the national collections that is meaningful to you and representative of your experience, what might that be?
Well, what we have here is what I'm going to be donating is a model of the coronavirus. Now, when you see these things, these are called the spike proteins coming out of the coronavirus. If you cut it this way, as you do when you take an electron microscope, you see these things stick out, and they are spikes that look like a crown. And that's where you get the word coronavirus, because it stands for a crown. But this particular spike that's coming out is actually the part of the virus that the body makes an immune response against to protect you against getting infected with the entire virus. So I received the mRNA vaccine, which codes for this protein. So right now, my body is making a response against this particular protein, which prevents me from getting infected from the whole virus. So this is what we will be donating to the Smithsonian. Thank you.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Thank you. So and I'm so glad that, of course, you're vaccinated and you're starting to decrown the crown. And we will hold that, of course, and treasure it. It will become an incredible addition to the museum's outstanding collection of medicine and science. So thank you very much.